The EZViz EZ Guard is a robust, all-in-one, active defense smart home security camera. It features convenient, all-in-one technology with a camera, recorder, two-way audio, siren, and strobe for active defense. Best of all, EZ Guard smart home security cameras include EZViz superior video elements such as HD resolution, digital HDR, and HD alpha video performance. Dual Wi-Fi antennas enhance signal range and strength to ensure optimal performance when you record and stream live video. When it's dark out, EZ Guard automatically switches to night vision, delivering high-resolution images up to 100 feet, even when it's dark. The camera is IP66 rated to withstand extreme weather and temperatures. A wide-angle 118-degree lens offers a more complete view of any space. The EZViz EZ Guard Smart Home Security Camera. One convenient device to secure it all.